My dear and respected Registrar of this great university, Controller of Examination, Dean Academic, Students Welfare, Deans, Deputy Dean, and professors from various departments, students, friends. I am so happy to be here to inaugurate this Diwali festival. Of course, maybe 14 days gone for we celebrated the Diwali, but Diwali is the best festival for every villages. When we are celebrating the Diwali, that is called Deepavali, that light should give all the energy and progress to each and every people. My dear students, when we are celebrating the Diwali in the villages, with all the mood, the way in which we are celebrating Pongal, Ramjan, Holi, or whatever the festival we are celebrating, all the village people will come together and celebrate the Diwali, any festival. In so many platforms I told that since I am from Madurai, we have one festival called Chitra Festival. The Chitra Festival is that famous not only here at Madurai, throughout the world. Whether you believe it or not, 5 lakhs people will come together in a single day to celebrate that Chitra Festival. Can you see that? For any type of, any group of people they can celebrate Chitra Festival? No. There is no casteism, there is no religion. They will celebrate that Chitra Festival. So this is the example in Madurai. Any festival we have to come together and celebrate it. Even though you have difference of opinion, we have to come together. That is the way we have to take the festival. I mean, when you are having the lunch in our mess, every people sit together. We enjoy the food what they have provided. I have to thank that the coordinating committee of the Diwali group. I have to thank on behalf of Central University of Tamil Nadu. So this is the way how we are enjoying the food, the way you have to enjoy that, what you call that today, even what you are going to have it another 2 hours. My dear students, every meeting I am telling, wherever I am going I am telling, because there's a university established in 2009 with 1 faculty, 4 students. But today we have 189 faculty members with 4,000 students. That is the progress of this Central University of Tamil Nadu. Number is not very important. My dear students, number is not very important, but we are living like mini India. We have the students from different part of that state. They are coming together. Even if you are seeing that they can speak any language from any religion, but they are living together. That's the example of Central University of Tamil Nadu, where we have the students from different parts of the country. So we are the living example to come together and celebrate that festival. That's the way today, after enjoying that wonderful food in the lunch time, I think we are all accepting it. We had a wonderful food. After that, now we are going to witness your, what you call the program, cultural program. By that, still I am going to get more energy, more enjoyment. So I have to thank, because already it's late, I have to thank all the students, those who are going to participate and those who are going to witness that, what you call the cultural program. I much thankful to you for giving that wonderful platform to inaugurate this cultural program. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your wonderful words, sir. We appreciate your presence here.